Alright,
guys.
everybody, welcome back. We're fighting Carnage and the sound system. This is the sound system.
Oh, I'm supposed to go inside of it.
Yeah, knock him inside of it, it'll make him weak. What?
It
That
also hurts
too?
me a whole lot.
That doesn't make sense. I don't... What the fuck? I'm upset. They got that wrong.
Did you ever beat this game as a kid?
I did. Why?
How do I knock him in?
Pull him towards you. Try the whole web thing. Pull him towards you. Punch him in. Shit. Alright, punch him in. Alright, punch him in.
I gotta impact webbing him in. He's got cool axes, I guess.
Uh-huh. There you go. There. Try and get him in there as often as you can. There you go. See, if you just keep getting him in there and nailing him, he can't handle the sound. It's too loud, and he's too old. Get out of there.
I think I glitched him into an infinite loop of
I hope so.
getting fucked up.
No, he's... Okay.
Thanks, man.
Damn, like, I thought you were doing really good, but you haven't really put a dent in him all that much.
50% of his health, dude.
You know what I mean? I thought that you basically had him beat. I kill, more like... Jesus!
I was locked.
Holy balls,
I couldn't
man.
hit him. I couldn't hit him with my web because I had to turn before I could put it in his direction.
Carnage is hard as fuck, dude!
It's not even that he's that hard. It's that the game's hard to play.
Yeah. I guess so. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I don't know anything. Just knock him in. Or... Yeah! We know what to do now. Just keep doing that.
I'm gonna spawn health.
Oh, thank God for that. I don't understand why your health is being sapped. That doesn't make any sense.
It's that loud.
It's that loud, huh?
Yeah. Oh God, I was so close. I'm not in the right angle.
I know. If you just hurry up, you get health. Awesome. You did it. Awesome.
It didn't do it.
This should work. There you go. Down to a science, Justin. Oh, the health constantly comes in. Because even the game designers realized this be hard.
Shit. It's not going the way we want. Oh God.
Oh boy.
It's okay. I got that's fine.
Awesome. And enough webbing, too. Nope. You don't have enough. Oh, shit. Just wait for some webbing to spawn up. Oh, wow. That's not very kid-friendly.
Thanks, man. Oh, no.
Oh, fuck. Oh, please go in there. Oh, thank goodness. Go run, get some health. Go run, get some health. Not enough. Okay. Careful. If you just... Oh, no. That was a little... No.
I don't have enough web.
Yeah, I know. Oh, God. Oh. No. Didn't get the angle. Oh, my
Sure, it
gosh.
also didn't affect him.
No!
Oh!
God! Ha!
If only this game worked.
Well, this game wasn't that hard in terms of the thing. You weren't waiting for the right angle. You're just...
Okay, yeah, but...
I know. I understand it's hard. You're just like, you need to wait to get the angle. Otherwise...
If I wait to get the angle, he knocks me over. This way it costs me web cartridge, but not health.
I suppose. You need both. There we go. I'm trying... While he's hurt... Okay. Ooh.
It just didn't affect him.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't affect him when he's like... Holy...
It's a goddamn hacker. Well, I'm dead.
You're dead. Well, no, you knocked him in. Okay, good. Now, hurry up. You're wasting webbing. You're not hurting him doing that.
That definitely took away health.
It doesn't.
Looked like it to me.
Okay, I could be wrong, but I don't think that it does. He walked in himself. Get the health.
He just didn't leave because he stopped to attack me.
Alright. Yeah, well...
It's just like your opinion, man.
It's just like your opinion, man. You can't cut what you can't hit. Touch. I'm an idea, and ideas are bulletproof. And knife-proof. I hope. I wish I could.
God damn it.
Oh no.
Yep.
Why didn't you use the web thing?
Oh man, I only tried 3 times, but these controls are so fucking finicky that I can't do it on command all the time. Part of it is based on what way you're looking.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Justin. Would you forgive me?
Yeah.
Can you learn to
See?
forgive? Son of a bitch! There we go.
It didn't matter.
Son of a... Fuck off, Carnage! Are you kidding me? Fuck off!
It didn't
Oh
count.
my god!
It wasn't good enough.
Just... You first! Fucking my goodness. Just... It's a wash! It's all a wash!
Oh boy. He's a learning machine. Even on the game overs, he gets stronger.
Holy... You gotta remember, yeah. There's just a rock out there. It's floating. For no reason.
We're underwater.
Yeah.
And you're not supposed to be able to see through these.
The way the camera's designed, I don't think that that's right. I think they... Thank goodness. Oh boy. It is. Oh no.
It's not easy being this Spider-Man.
It's not easy being this spidery. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's right. You can trigger it at any point in time that you want by hitting square, I think.
Trigger what?
When you go into the web shield, if you hit square...
Oh yeah, I've been activating it.
Yeah.
It's triangle though.
Mhm.
To activate it.
Oh boy.
It's a good angle.
Look, he's got a hole in his head.
Yeah, I noticed that.
You noticed that? Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh my gosh. This is like... Oh no, not enough webbing.
Oh, I'm not dead. Don't worry, I ran into Sonic to get the webbing.
Oh my god. This is so hard.
Yeah, and it's not... Is this the final boss?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, it's the final boss.
Oh good, we can go into New Game Plus.
Oh. No, this is about it. This is
No, I need the dancing black cat.
end of the road, compadre. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I just, this, I understand, I guess I understand. Oh my gosh, just get in the bubble! There we go. Get that health.
Oh, the health
It
expired.
disappeared.
It expired. Cartridge.
Oh.
Health. Full
Yes!
shield.
Come on. There we go. Health.
I just wanted the
Oh my
health.
gosh.
I just wanted the health.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Just keep running. Just keep running away.
Oh, health.
Just, yeah, okay. Alright, jump over here.
Jump, 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 jump around.
Oh, good, good. We just gotta be patient. We just have to be patient. Okay, now nail him. There we go.
A little too loud, in fact.
Yes, yes. No, we walked out. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez.
Good
Oh
job,
wow. I know. Come on, just go in.
He's unaffected.
Yeah. Gotta be at the right area and the right angle. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh.
Find more web cartridges.
Oh, good.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is true horror.
I'm sure it can to me.
This is true horror.
This is truly horrible.
I'm not even playing the game, and I just feel anger.
Oh boy. Oh, first off, fifth of my health.
I'm glad it's you, and I'm glad it's not me. This is a travesty. I just thought, man, if we played my favorite fucking game,
He didn't care.
that would be okay. But no. Instead, I have taken a trip down memory lane. Oh my god.
It's so hard to do the shield.
I know.
Because you can't just hold over and press triangle. You have to like do it like at the same time as a combo. And sometimes that just changes the way you're looking.
I know. Oh, I know, Justin. Whoa, 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 indeed, Spider-Man.
I wish the web attack worked on any enemy in the entire game.
Take that carnage.
I'm killing myself. I tricked you.
Okay, I hope there's more health.
One of each spawns each time.
Yeah, I know.
Correct yourself, camera. Oh god.
Well, it's that camera. Talk again time. I'm not expecting that.
I was. I've seen it like 17 times now.
It's a pattern. We're all living in a pattern of self-indulgence. And I can't even anymore. And you're glitching. And you're glitching and you're twitching. And I don't appreciate that. Oh, carnage. Okay, oh. Yeah, I'd rather have health. Oh, oh, oh. Just die, carnage. There we go. Oh my goodness.
I wonder if there's a way easier way to get this shit done.
There's gotta be. And I don't remember how, and I'm just letting you do your thing. Oh shit. There we go. Oh. Oh. Oh.
How is that not good enough?
I don't know. Just do it. Oh jeez, that was close. Oh, thank goodness, health.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa,
whoa,
whoa,
whoa.
whoa, 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 whoa. Kill him, dubstep. It's too loud for him. It's symbiotes in there. Oh, you did it.
Yeah, but it costs like 2 web cartridges.
Yeah, but was it worth it?
Maybe.
No more bugs. No more
Yeah.
thugs.
No more bug thugs, you jug.
Red. I don't want none. I don't want none. Oh. Oh.
So close.
Oh.
So close.
Oh,
It's so
oh my god! Justin, you're not dead. You're
I'm
not dead. Oh, thank god. Oh. I'm on the edge of my seat bed. Oh no. Oh, thank goodness. But it
really
just
matter.
doesn't matter. Justin.
Oh, I need to find more web cartridges
Oh,
for
no.
that apparently. I'm only at like 80%.
You're gonna grab the health, you can't run right in. I know that you're not trying to do that. It's just... Oh my goodness. Hey, hey. Hey, oh. You're so close. Well, you're so close.
He just doesn't stop. There's no reprieve.
Not even once. There. Please be dead.
Dead.
Oh my gosh. He's not dead. He's dead.
You trapped him in there with the last of my web.
Oh my gosh, Justin, you did it.
I did
You
it!
des-
I beat Spider-Man.
Justin, you deserve a fucking pat on the back for that.
I do-
Smallest dick.
Anything the spider can.
Spoo? Spider. Spider. It's not gonna fit. Spider-Ma.
Spider-Ma.
Spider-Ma dick.
Oh my god, look at those graphics.
Yep. Lose Cassidy.
You're just letting it go, Spider. You're letting it go.
Yeah, he's letting it go.
He just doesn't want to be out of a job.
No. Oh, also. I lied.
I knew you lied.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. Hawk and Carnage combined. Alright, and we'll come back.
Dr. Carnage.
You know what? No, this is the finale. This is the finale. This is the last episode.
Ooh, he's just swinging and swaying.
Just, let's end it. This is it. Gotta get out of here. This is a race to the finish, by the way.
Oh my god, I've played this.
Yeah.
How did I make it to the end of this?
It's hard. You got a web sling. Oh, not like that. Yeah.
I should have
It's
turned
turning
around.
apart.
Ooh, holy shit.
That's hard.
That's hard
Just
for.
skip to that and go on forward.
This is unskippable.
You gotta get out of here.
This is unskippable.
Nope,
Can I wigs?
It's
Can I-
not. It's never been. It's never been skippable, Justin. See, I don't. His head thing does not match him. I just don't understand what that is.
He's got some sweet ass sunglasses.
It's. I don't think it's sun. Oh, it's sunglasses.
Sure, dude.
Oh shit! I never knew what that was until now. I thought it was a headband or some shit. I know. I understand now. Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Do you have unlimited web?
Yeah. For web sling.
It went organic.
No. Just for web sling. This can get a little bit convoluted. Oh, run. Run, spider. From really shaded into carnage. Gawk.
What does it mean to be Ridley shaded?
Huh?
What does it mean to be Ridley
I
shaded?
said weirdly.
Oh. That was an aliens thing.
Nope. And Ridley is Metroid.
Well, Ridley Scott.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
You know, the person Ridley is named after.
Yeah, I pretty much kind of, I guess I assumed that one. Oh, whoa. Oh,
What?
no. Whoa. Stay away from me, tear through those doors.
I missed the comic, though.
I don't care, man.
I somehow made it to this level when I was a kid. Maybe I was playing on somebody else's save.
It's possible. I mean,
Because I didn't remember.
they had this game at the orthodontist office. That's where I played it. Sometimes. Because I know they had it. 2 more to go, Justin.
Why are these numbered?
If you can hold out, because of how many levels there are up. Oh my gosh. Can't shake him. I can't shake him!
I can't shake him down this linear hallway. He somehow... I can't fool him. I'm stuck.
Oh no.
I'm stuck.
No. Oh no! God!
I got stuck.
I know.
I was
I know
doing
you got
so
stuck.
well.
It's
That's
not
a
your fault.
really long chase.
Justin, it's not your fault. It's not your fault.
Don't do this to me.
It's not your fault.
Not you, man.
It's not your fault.
Don't do this to me.
It's not your
Don't you
fault.
fucking do this to me.
It's not your fault, man.
I don't remember the scene.
It's not your fault.
I don't remember how it goes.
I don't either. I know that there's probably a joke, but that's it. I think they cry.
Yeah.
Shed a tear. Oh, fine. Whatever. Fuck you. I don't care. God. Die. It's so weird now that I know it.
The
Like,
sunglasses?
I can't unsee it. And fuck, I always thought it was something else. Damn.
You're just that cool, bro.
I know. I just... Weird, man.
Oh, that was interesting.
Yeah, that's cool. I wouldn't try that again.
Well,
Yeah, see.
well.
Go away. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Spider-Man, no.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Can. Spider-Hand.
Spider-Man, no.
Spider-Man. Oh.
Swinging Spidey.
He's coming.
This thing's unstoppable.
He's unstoppable.
Now, Spider-Man, you knew that wasn't what I wanted to do.
What'd you do?
Slowly web shot straight to above where I was.
Hey man, he's not perfect. He just does whatever a spider can. Oh. You're making it, man.
Why is this guy trying to kill me?
What the fuck do you mean? Why is he trying to kill
Aren't we
you?
friends?
No.
Hater and Dr. Ock?
Nope.
Dr. Van Octopus?
Dr.
Octachef?
Octochef. There's something stupid like that.
What the fuck? Why am I
Change perspectives. Okay.
Right behind the door!
Okay.
Lock my camera behind a fucking door, thank you.
That is bad.
It wasn't like this the first time.
Yeah, what the fuck?
The camera must have hit something.
Oh man, the camera's broken now.
This is harder. Okay, maybe this is
Maybe
right
it's not
again.
harder.
What do you mean maybe it's not harder? I'm playing it.
I don't know. I mean, it's about the same.
Not to me. Because I can't see what
Oh,
the next
actually,
turn is.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, I need that
Fuck
comic.
that, dude. Fuck it. Oh my gosh, you got enough comics, especially when you got to that secret door.
It's only one comic though. I'm a collector.
I know you're a collector, but Justin, although...
No!
you
The camera!
Oh! Way to recover.
I'm dead.
Nope. You can do this. You can do this, Justin. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Justin! No, God!
Oh, that camera. That was weird.
I've literally lost all credibility with this game.
How credible? It doesn't trust you anymore?
No. If I, like... This used to be like one of my prime examples for a Spider-Man game and what it should be.
Your nostalgia glasses have fallen off. They're broken. You lost the lens.
Oh, they're busted. Oh, they're busted hard, man.
Spider-Man 2000. You a buster.
You busted.
Oh, I do keep the comic.
I told you. Once
Yeah,
you,
but
once you get them
I've
and
been
you
thinking
die,
about it.
like, you still have them. You have to go back and get them more than once.
Oh boy, I hit the wall.
Oh man.
No, Spider-Man. Don't do this to me.
Please, Spider-Man. Please pull through. Don't fuck up the camera. But it's too late. Spider-Man did not listen. The camera would still fuck up. Oh my gosh. I don't... Why am I feeling... I don't understand how I'm feeling this with you.
Feeling what?
I'm getting more upset than you. And I'm not even playing.
Yeah. Maybe it's the feeling of helplessness. You're not in control.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. Maybe that's it. Because I know that you don't suck at video games. It's not like I'm watching, like, a cousin who's, like, a little, like, baby playing this video game, and it's like, he doesn't know what he's doing, and I'm like, oh, come on, just do this, just do this.
Press the button.
You're doing what I would do, and it's just not working. And that's frustrating.
Oh, there's a tube all the way directly to the surface, huh?
Yeah. Why wouldn't there be?
Should have taken that down.
No, man. I don't trust your stance on architecture. You got it?
Fair enough.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, Justin. Oh! Back off indeed! This is just the way the camera's supposed to be, man.
No, it did this earlier last time.
Oh.
Like it was during the room with the horizontal pipe.
Alright, so I guess the camera just does whatever
I think it
wants.
does normally change at this point, but the last time it did it early.
Huh. Oh, it's a glitch in the matrix. It's a glitch in the code. No!
No, I missed.
It's okay. Okay. It's the superior Spider-Man. This is an octopus with carnage. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, I did it!
Oh my god, Justin. You
Goodbye,
did it.
you Lego
Oh.
looking carnage.
Happy day. Happy day. That's it. It's
Oh, that was Daredevil the whole time.
It was Daredevil the whole time.
What? Oh, that's Dr. Octopus. Why did
His
you save him?
His
He's
arms
a
fell off.
dick.
He always saves him. Does the right thing.
Captain America!
Although he left Carnage to die.
Fuck Carnage, he's a symbiote.
Yeah, I guess whatever. He's dead. Oh yeah, Captain America is in this game.
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Oh, the funniness of this game being over. Oh, and they're playing cards. And it's happy. We're the wheat cakes. Bring on Aunt May.
Is she coming out?
What?
Is she coming out? Is we gonna see Aunt May?
No. No, it's just it's a thing. Peter Parker likes Aunt May's wheat cakes because that's a character thing. He loves them. And as a reward, but Aunt May's not in this game.
Your bluffs are so obvious.
Use mine.
Look at all this character development.
Yep. That. Everybody hates it. Hates it.
Hey, listen up, kids. I'm on fire.
Everybody's happy. Look at that 2D couch. Kinda 2D, whatever, polygonal couch.
Some villains.
Yeah.
Rhino could bust out of that.
Rhino? Yeah, they don't have him cuffed or nothing. Say, the Scorpion could do that too. He has acid, he can melt through the bars.
They're in their suits.
They're in their suits. The only person who can't do shit right now is Doc Ock and the Jade Syndicate guy.
Oh. See?
They're playing cards too, and they have a
They're
radio.
playing goldfish though, because they're dumber.
Oh. Yeah. Yep, bingo. Yeah, see, that is a joke because he's supposed to be dumb. They can literally bust out of this cell. How is nobody thinking of this? Dr. Octopus is supposed to be the smartest villain ever, and he's being beaten
By a couple of steel bars.
by a couple of steel bars. Yes, you've made a mistake. We've all made a mistake.
You've all made mistakes to get there.
Oh.
The end? Turns out, yes.
This is the end.
There was no sequel.
There was a sequel, actually.
There was a sequel.
There was a sequel to this game.
My B.
This is
Oh,
the-
symbiote
unlocked-
Spider-Man.
Yeah, symbiote Spider-Man suit. Symbiote Spider-Man suit. The power for that one never runs out of web.
Oh yeah.
You did it, Justin. And this is the first game that we've ever completed together on
Oh, it's
Robirds.
only gonna take 3 weeks to get the whole series uploaded.
I know, you guys have milestones and the swords and the good stuff.
Oh, he still has white web.
What do you mean?
Didn't the symbiote just stretch the symbiote when he was?
No. He had web. It was organic, though.
Yeah, it was part of the symbiote. I thought it was black.
No. Think more
Is
along-
that what Venom does?
No, Carnage.
Yeah, it does.
Carnage does that. Venom has web still, but Carnage
Man,
does
what
not.
the fuck?
Yeah, I understand. Oh, thanks Trisha Bertero and Melissa Chapman and Nuclear Cole.
Play again.
So why not? Let's play again. No.
Oh fuck!
Oh shit.
It's just gonna start me
No, I don't
from.
want to do that again.